So let's dive into the next top story, and that is all related to everyone's favorite topic, marijuana. We know that in Canada finally legalized adult use recreational marijuana in October of this year. But really, the big first was with GW Pharmaceuticals and their CBD product, Epidiolex.
Of course, the recreational market opportunity is huge and everyone's focused this, but from a healthcare perspective, I think the biggest news in marijuana this year was the validation of cannabidiol, CBD, which is the second most common chemical cannabinoid that's found in the cannabis sativa plant. For years, people have been using CBD oil to help reduce seizures in epilepsy patients, but that was based on anecdotal evidence. What GW Pharmaceuticals did is they went out and created a purified formulation of CBD, then took it through all of the different phases of trials to prove it out scientifically that yes, indeed, if you take CBD, you can reduce the risk of having seizures. Specifically, this drug, Epidiolex, was tested in Dravet syndrome patients and Lennox-Gastaut syndrome patients, which are two types of epilepsy. They're very hard to treat with existing anti-epileptics. The FDA approved Epidiolex this past summer, and then the DEA gave it very favorable scheduling. So that drug is now on the market. And again, like I said, big because it validated the concept of, hey, this chemical cannabinoid from the marijuana plant does scientifically improve outcomes for patients.
Yeah, so very exciting. I think you'll see even more companies diving into this space in 2019 as well. So certainly an area to keep an eye on.